The Panasonic Lumix S5 II stands out as a full-frame mirrorless camera designed for today's content creators, photographers, and videographers, blending high performance with remarkable versatility at an accessible price. Launched in January 2023, it marks a significant evolution from its predecessor, the original Lumix S5, by introducing phase detection autofocus, finally addressing a key demand from users seeking faster and more reliable subject tracking. At its core, the S5 II represents Panasonic's ongoing commitment to hybrid shooters who need a compact yet powerful tool, capable of excelling in both still photography and professional video production. At the heart of the S5 II lies a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, paired with Panasonic's updated Venus engine featuring L2 technology. This duo delivers high-resolution images with natural color reproduction and impressive dynamic range, capturing the subtle gradations of light and shadow that define professional-grade photography. The camera's dual native ISO technology ensures superb low-light performance, minimizing noise and preserving detail even at higher sensitivity settings. For those seeking even greater resolution, the S5 II's innovative high-resolution mode combines 8 separate exposures into a stunning 96-megapixel image, perfect for landscapes, studio work, and any static subject where ultimate detail matters. One of the camera's headline features is its phase hybrid autofocus system. By combining phase detection with contrast-based autofocus across 779 points, Panasonic has dramatically improved subject detection and tracking. The system recognizes people, animals, and vehicles, maintaining sharp focus even in challenging lighting scenarios. Recent firmware updates have further refined these capabilities, adding features like animal eye detection and pre-burst shooting, which captures moments just before the shutter is released. While the S5 II's autofocus may still lag slightly behind class leaders like Sony and Canon for fast-paced action, it's a substantial leap forward for Panasonic, and more than sufficient for most creative applications. When it comes to video, the Lumix S5 II is a powerhouse. It offers 6K 30p recording, unlimited 4K 60p recording, and advanced features like 10-bit color depth and V-Log V-gamut profiles, delivering over 14 stops of dynamic range for professional color grading. The Open Gate recording mode leverages the full sensor area, allowing creators to crop to any aspect ratio in post-production, ideal for delivering content across diverse platforms, from widescreen YouTube videos to vertical social media stories. The addition of real-time LUTs lets creators apply custom color grades in-camera, cutting down on post-processing time and enabling a unique look straight out of the camera. To support extended shooting sessions, Panasonic has equipped the S5 II with a robust in-body stabilization system called Active IS, which is up to twice as effective as previous generations. This, combined with Dual IS2, melding sensor and lens stabilization, ensures silky smooth handheld footage and crisp stills, even with telephoto lenses or in low-light conditions. The camera's build quality is equally reassuring. A magnesium alloy, weather-sealed body, a responsive electronic viewfinder, and a fully articulating touchscreen for flexible shooting angles. The S5 II is also designed for modern workflows, offering dual SD card slots, full-size HDMI, USB-C power delivery and charging, as well as fast Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Remote operation and file transfers are seamless with Panasonic's Lumix Sync and Lumix Lab apps, making it easy to share content or control the camera from a smartphone. Compared with its main rivals, the S5 II carves out a unique position. It undercuts the Sony a7 IV and Canon EOS R6 Mark II on price, while matching or surpassing them in video capabilities and burst shooting speed. The L-mount ecosystem offers a broad range of lenses from Panasonic, Leica, and Sigma, further expanding creative possibilities at various price points. In summary, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II is an exceptional all-rounder, delivering pro-level stills and video in a compact, weather-sealed package. Its improved autofocus, advanced video features, and class-leading stabilization make it a top pick for hybrid creators who demand flexibility without breaking the bank. For those who want even more advanced video tools, the S5X offers worthwhile upgrades for a modest premium. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or photographer looking for a reliable companion, the S5 II is a compelling choice that stands tall among full-frame mirrorless cameras.